Hello, everybody. Happy day. My name is Joyce McTeer. I am the owner and operator of La Georgia Creation Designs. I'm coming to you all today with an unboxing of some love mail that I received from Dr. Veronica Shyaam. Those of you who follow me here on the YT know that Dr. Shyaam is someone who has been following me here on the YT. She is a wonderful, beautiful lady, and she follows me here on the YT. She has a shop, or actually, she's the lady that I get, pretty much she sent me fabric, okay? So I'm pretty much going to show y'all a box that I got today in the mail from the UPS. I spoke to her yesterday and she told me, she said she had sent it off yesterday, but I'm really surprised to see that I got the box here already, y'all. So here's the box. And I am going to leave all her information down in the description box so that you all, if you want some of this fabric, please, y'all, get in contact with her. She has loads and loads and loads of African print fabric, okay? Dr. Shyaam is awesome, y'all. She makes some beautiful things. So if y'all really need some African print fabric, please go over and check her out. I'm going to leave, she has a Facebook group. I don't know her Facebook group, but I'm going to leave you the information that I have for her. I have a number that you can call her to reach out to her to get some of this fabric, okay? So this is mine. And first of all, Dr. Shyaam, I want to say thank you so very much, Queen, for this. This is a blessing right here, y'all. I don't even know what this is. But this, oh wow, look at this. And these are all the scraps. And a lot of my earrings that y'all see me make and create come from the scraps that she sent me the last time. She sent me some nice scraps the last time, and I used those scraps to make my earrings and stuff out of. And this stuff that she sent me this time is totally different from what she sent me the last time. So I'm going to open it up. I'm just going to show y'all what she sent me and what the scraps look like. Look at this. And you can make a pair of earrings out of these scraps. And see, what she does is she makes a lot of clothing. Dr. Shyaam is awesome, y'all. She makes a lot of clothing. She makes jewelry. She makes all kinds of things. This is a little small piece of green scrap. And so when she cuts her clothes and stuff out, she has scraps. And with these scraps, you can make African print jewelry. Okay, I've showed y'all quite a few times on many different techniques on how to make and create different earrings. So if you need a design to make an earring, you can go to my channel, you can check out my videos, and you can see the designs that I have created. Those are free, okay? Those are free designs for you to choose and do whatever you would like to do. Look at this. And she heard me say that I need some coral shells. Thank you so much, sis. Wow. She sent me some coral shells, y'all. This is a blessing. Thank you so much, Dr. Shyaam. I greatly appreciate this. Look at this, y'all. Look at all these coral shells she sent me. Awesome. Wow. Yeah, because I'm getting kind of low because I've been making a lot of jewelry. I got a little shoe here. This is just too cute. And this is one that I've never seen this one before. This look like the ones that I have some like this, But I don't have any that's in the plain one, because the ones that I have the sequins on it. So I got a little shoe, and then I got some of these petals right here. And these are really cute. Got some of these little petals. I got it in green. That's like an orange color. Got it in brown. Oh, these are really cute. These are cute. Wow. And it's got like a little gem in the middle of them. So I got a bunch of those. Then she sent me a pair of earrings. Oh, these are cute. I love me. Look at these, y'all. Wow. This is awesome. Thank you so much, Dr. Shyaam. I greatly appreciate it. But let's get back to this fabric, y'all. So, look at this. This is why I said that y'all have to go. And this right here, this is orange. This is like an orange color. But look at the fabric. Look at the fabric. And you can go, like I said, and get you some fabric and make you some African print earrings, y'all. That's the end thing now. Little piece of black right here with a print on it. And there's nothing wrong with getting the scraps, because the scraps is just as good as anything else. Look at that. And you can use this little strip right here, and make some earrings from it. Yep. So like I said, I'm going to leave all her information down in the description box. Look at this piece. Look at this. Look at this. And this is even. So I don't even know what she was making, but it's like even all the way down. But I love that print on there. That print is beautiful. Like when I say beautiful, beautiful, beautiful print. Yep, all this. I've never had any of these prints before. Look at this. It's gorgeous, y'all. So when y'all see me doing a pair of earrings, another pair of African print earrings, you'll know where it's coming from. And this is the color. Like the video isn't doing it any justice. I'm gonna tell you that right now. The color of this is it's like yellow, but it's a beautiful yellow. It looked pale from the camera, but this is yellow, like a real pretty yellow with black and white, and that navy blue. It's gorgeous, y'all. Gorgeous. Look at this. Another beautiful pair of African print earrings. Look at this. So y'all can go. Like I said, I'm going to leave her information down in the description box. For those of y'all who want some of this fabric, go get you some of this fabric, y'all. And like I said, she sells boxes. She sells scraps. This is orange. This is just an orange color. But she sells scraps. She sells a little bit of everything. And look at this. I just love this. Yep. So she sells a little bit of everything, y'all. Look at that. Absolutely gorgeous. This is gorgeous. Beautiful prints. This to me remind me of something you would wear in fall, when the seasons change. This is a beautiful print. Absolutely gorgeous. Look at that. Absolutely gorgeous. And so y'all be looking for her DIY coming soon, because I'm going to be using all this right here, everything y'all see, I'm going to be using it. I'm going to use every last bit of this. of these fabrics that she gave me. And every time I do a video using her fabrics, I'm going to leave all her information down in the description box, so that those of you who watch my channel can go order you some goodness. Look at this. Look at that. It's like a metallic in there. Really beautiful colors. And look at it. It got coral shells right there. Then, you know, it's in the fabric. It's like a print. Yeah, it's absolutely gorgeous, y'all. Absolutely gorgeous. So this was a surprise to me because I was not expecting this today. And Dr. Shyaam, I want to thank you so much, Queen. This is awesome, y'all. Like, I can't say enough. Like, it's kind of like Christmas. You know, you get excited when people send you things. And I thank the Most High. I thank the Most High for sending people into my life to be a blessing to me. I'm grateful and I'm thankful. So, like I said, I am going to be doing some African print earrings. Y'all be looking out for that video, which will be coming soon. I'm still in the process of getting my stuff together for the earrings that I showcased the other day. I tried to find some. I've been trying to find some cardstock, but I may have to use some poster board to make the earrings that I showed y'all. I was trying to find some cardstock. I went to Walmart the other day. They didn't have what I was looking for, so I did wind up finding me a poster board that I am going to be using to try to make the video. So to try to make those earrings that I showcased to y'all the other day. So I want to thank y'all so very much for watching. I just wanted y'all to see all of the goodness that Dr. Shyaam has blessed me with. I'm just like, this stuff, y'all, is the bomb. Like, all these beautiful prints and stuff. Please, y'all, go. Like I said, I'm going to leave all her information down in the description box. Thank you so much, Dr. Shyaam. I greatly appreciate everything that you do for me, sis. I greatly appreciate it. And so I just wanted to share this stuff with y'all because I get a lot of comments where people be asking me, where do you get your print, your African fabric? And Dr. Shyaam definitely sends me some fabric in the mail to do my earrings, okay? She has lots and lots and lots of fabric, y'all. Like, I'm not making it up. She got all different kinds of fabric, okay? She also makes handbags and purses from fabric as well. So I am going to, like I said, I'm going to leave all her information down inside the description box. Y'all go over, get you some goodness, and make you some African print fabric earrings. We don't really see that too much here on the YT. There is maybe one or two people that may do videos doing African print earrings, but y'all go get you some goodness. And I want to thank y'all for watching. And for those of you who are new to my channel, please subscribe, hit that bell that is on the side so that when I upload more videos, you will be notified. I want to thank y'all for watching. Have a wonderful and awesome day, everyone. Peace and blessings. See ya.